Well, every night at 5 o'clock, all eyes are on Frankfort as Governor Andy Beshear delivers the state's coronavirus update. But the city streets surrounding the capital are quiet as only essential businesses are open. LEX 18's Conroy DeLuche talked to the owners of an auto repair shop that's still operating but making adjustments.
As businesses close across the state, some are able to stay open, but they're struggling because with less cars on the road, there's not as many customers.
Well, it has slowed down a lot, less customers. On a busy day, probably, I would say 13 to 16, somewhere in that neighborhood.
And how many did you see yesterday?
Oh, probably 4.
We are surviving day by day.
JD's Auto Repair is owned by Melissa Dean and her husband, Jamie.
We started on $2,000 and now we have our own business. We've been in business almost 9 years and still chugging along.
The Deans feel fortunate to keep the lights on, but there have been cutbacks. The decrease in customers means only 2 mechanics in the shop every day instead of 4.
Kind of rotated around to keep everybody a little bit of money in their pocket.
In a time of financial troubles, they're even more grateful for folks that trust the shop with their car and precious dollars.
I thank God for every customer that walks through that door.
Inside, signs of the times and social distancing. A shower curtain separates Jamie from customers. A mask sits on his monitor. There's hand sanitizer on every desk. The floor marked by tape. Greasy fingers are replaced by greasy latex gloves, another sign of the barriers put up between the Deans and customers.
It's not as personal because most of the time everybody comes in and, a good old-fashioned handshake and how you doing.
But they know these are necessary steps to ensure that everyone feels safe as the shop stays open and the virus continues to spread. How does it feel right now coming into work?
A little scary. Anything that we can do that makes it better for them and for us and our well-being and our health, we're trying to do.
Day by day, working to keep cars on the road and staying in business. In Frankfort, Conroy DeLuche, LEX 18 News.